This week, we are going to see the next interesting topic. This topic is so interesting, so I'm sure you're going to love it. What is this interesting topic? It's called list. We all know about list, correct? We have seen vegetable list when our mother asks us to buy vegetables from the shop. Then we have also seen homework list, which our school gives us during holidays or weekends. We have also seen packing list, which we do when we are going on picnic. And I'm sure your mom has given you cleaning list to clean your school bag, shoes, your room, make your bed, etc. Correct? So a list has a set of values or a set of items. That's all. Very simple. Now, what if I tell you that we can make lists like that in Python also? Fantastic, right? Okay, so we can make lists in Python. Very good. But why do we need list? List has values or items, and in Python we already using variables to save the values we want. So if we want Python to keep a value in memory, we keep it in a variable and Python will remember it. So why do we need list? Let me give you an example. Suppose your teacher is going to take your class for a movie. So what will your class teacher do? Your teacher will ask you and your classmates to give your names if you are interested to go, correct? So let us say out of 25 students in a class, only 20 are interested to go for the movie. So your class teacher will make one list with the names of all the 20 students. In the same way, if we want Python to remember all the 20 names, what will we do? We would have created variables. Name 1, name 2, name 3, name 4 up to name 20 to save the values. Because one variable can have only one value. So we will have to create 20 variables. Imagine how many statements we'll have to write in Python. We will be writing 20 statements for 20 variables. That is very long, correct? Python also knows that. That is why Python allows us to create one variable to store 20 values. What? We learned in level 1 that one variable can have only one value. You told us that. Correct, correct. Yes, I did tell you that. So, now how can we keep more values now? We can do that using a new way called data structures. Ta-da! So now we are going to see an introduction to data structures. So let me quickly explain data structures. It is very easy to explain data structures by using the word data and structure. What is data? Whatever values we give to a variable is also data. So basically, values are data. It can be numbers, alphabets, words, special characters, and even sentences. I have created three variables with my information. Here, Ani, Bangalore, teach coding is data or values. Name, city, and job are variables. Structure means format or arrangement. So data and structure together means a format to write the data. For example, writing data as a list is one way, writing data in table like this is another way, and there are many other ways too. In this level 2 course, we are going to learn two data structures in Python. First is list and second is dictionary. This week we will see list and next week we will see dictionaries. Now we know that we can create list in Python and list is a type of data structure. Let us see more information about it in our next video. So see you soon.